Managing your Medicare premiums doesn't have to be a chore. With Medicare EZ Pay, you can automate your payments and say goodbye to the stress of missed due dates. This user-friendly tool is perfect for anyone looking for a hassle-free way to stay on top of their Medicare Part A or B premiums. Here's everything you need to know about Medicare EZ Pay, from what it is and how it works to how you can set it up today. What is Medicare EZ Pay? Medicare EZ Pay is a free and secure service that allows you to have your Medicare premiums automatically withdrawn from your bank account each month. Instead of writing checks or making manual payments, the system handles everything for you. It's a great way to ensure your payments are always made on time, without the extra effort. Why use Medicare EZ Pay? Here are some of the key benefits of using Medicare EZ Pay. Convenience. No more worrying about due dates or mailing payments. Peace of mind. Payments happen automatically, so you'll never miss one. Eco-friendly. By going paperless, you help reduce waste. Free to use. There are no additional fees to enroll in or use this service. How to set up Medicare EZ Pay. Getting started with Medicare EZ Pay is quick and easy. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you enroll. Visit the Medicare website. Go to Medicare.gov and log into your secure Medicare account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one by clicking Create an Account and following the prompts. Locate the Medicare EZ Pay option. Once logged in, look for the Medicare EZ Pay section under the Pay My Premiums or billing area of your account dashboard. Download the authorization form. To enroll, you must download and complete the Authorization Agreement for Pre-Authorized Payments Form SF5510. This form allows Medicare to withdraw payments directly from your designated bank account. Provide your payment details. Fill in your bank details, including your account and routing numbers. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any delays. Submit the form. Mail the completed form to the address provided on the form. Medicare will notify you once your enrollment is processed, which typically takes 6 to 8 weeks. Monitor your payments. Medicare EZ Pay will begin withdrawing payments automatically each month. Funds are generally deducted around the 20th of each month, so ensure sufficient funds are in your account. Accessing Medicare EZ Pay online. After enrolling, you can easily monitor or manage your Medicare EZ Pay account online through Medicare.gov. Here you can view your payment history, update your bank information, or stop the service if needed. Everything in one place makes it easy to stay informed about your premiums. A simple solution for stress-free payments. Medicare EZ Pay is an excellent option for anyone looking to simplify their premium payments. It saves time, ensures your payments are on schedule, and eliminates the hassle of paper bills. If you prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach, Medicare EZ Pay is the way forward. Take charge of your Medicare premiums today. Enroll in EZ Pay and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with automated payments. Have you considered how automating your Medicare premiums could make life easier? What's stopping you from setting up Medicare EZ Pay today? If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with others who might also benefit from this convenient payment option. By doing so, you can help them simplify their premium payments and enjoy the same peace of mind you do.